Hey guys, welcome back to Samantha's Crazy Channel. And today I'm here with my dad.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Okay. Squishing me.
Sorry, scooch.
Okay.
What are we doing today?
Well, today, as you know, you ordered a bunch of Harry Potter stuff from eBay in a box. I don't know what's in it. So,
No idea.
today,
I got no idea what's in it.
we're going to open it up.
Alright, one at a time. Let's see what we got.
Okay. First up.
Whoa, that one's huge.
Get out of here. You're disrupting my
Okay.
We have Fluffy, the three-headed dog, and their mouth's open.
What? Look at that.
Uh-huh. Super cool. And their feet move, so you can make them stand up, or sit, or lay down.
Nice.
So yeah.
Why has he got metal on the bottom of his feet right there?
Not sure.
Can you guys see that? There's like...
Yeah, there's like metal.
In the back feet, there's holes. In the front, there's like a little metal piece right there.
Comment down below if you know why.
Absolutely. I have no idea why.
Okay, set it up right here.
I think these are from when the first movie came out.
Yeah.
Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone.
Or first originated in England, the Philosopher's Stone.
That's right. And I think this one actually came with a trap door when it first came.
Yeah, we have the trap door.
So these are basically from what, 2001?
Yeah.
So we'll just put this one here for right now.
Next up.
This one's huge.
Next
oh my
up,
gosh.
we have Ron.
Does he have a wand or anything? No.
Not in his hand.
Guess that's.
Here's a close-up of Ron.
That's the eBay version. Let's see if we can get him. Run,
Cool.
Fluffy.
Next up, we have Draco Malfoy.
Ooh. Draco, the bad guy.
Well, he's not technically a bad guy. He must be a good guy.
That's true. That's true. He was in a different house than Ron and Harry, right?
Yeah.
Which
Hurry up,
house?
I have a really cool one.
He was in Slytherin, right?
Uh-huh.
Slytherin.
Harry Potter and the Invisibility Cloak.
Whoa.
I've never, ever seen this one before.
Shouldn't he just be a floating head? Like a head on a stick?
This is the coolest thing ever.
You can like
So
totally
cool.
see through it.
I know, it's so cool. Alright, next one.
It's awesome.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's heavy. I wonder what it is.
This one's really cool.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if we can get him all to stand up here.
No wonder this is so heavy. It's not just one, it's multiple.
Look, his feet are crazy.
Can you give me the knife?
Do you need a spell to open that one?
Yeah, help me. My hands are getting sweaty too.
Is this another Fluffy?
No, it's different people.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
How many people are in there?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Okay.
So we get for having a cheap tablecloth there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
They have blame for everything.
Whoa!
What? That's
That's
not from this.
This looks like Jim Carrey with spiky hair.
That's not the original line.
This is Harry.
This is something else. I'm not sure what that is.
He can do ballet.
That thing's huge compared to these other ones.
Yeah, look at a size comparison. Get Draco. Look, size comparison.
This thing's twice as big.
Hang on, not exactly twice as big. More like 3/4.
It's pretty close.
1 3/4.
Pretty close.
All right, whatever.
Pretty cool though.
So yeah, here is Harry in his Quidditch outfit. Whee! Okay, here you go.
That's pretty awesome.
Whoa!
Man. All right.
Next up is
He's got
Harry.
this crazy grin on his face too.
Let me see.
That's awesome. He's like.
Here's Harry.
That's awesome.
Not sure what happened to his glasses.
I'm gonna put him right there. But sitting down, he's the same size as Draco.
That's like me and my dad. Except when he kneels down, I'm taller than him. It's Harry.
Okay, yeah, his glasses are totally gone. Broken right off his face. You're squishing more than just bubble wrap there, sweetheart.
Okay, next up, this one is...
Oh, this is cool, yeah.
This one is so cool. This is Professor Quirrell, and it's Toopy.
Toupee? No, this is turban.
Turban. So you see this? You flip him over, you put his turban over, and then there's Voldemort.
Nice. Does his arms turn around too? Maybe his hands?
No.
No.
But yeah, really cool. Next one.
Actually, this Voldemort's pretty cool because he actually has a nose right here.
Wait, what? This is so cool.
How much stuff is in that box? This is a lot of stuff.
It's
This guy just
Gilderoy Lockhart. Hang on, wait. His arms fell out of his thing.
There we go.
Okay, whatever. Gilderoy Lockhart. With the cage of corn pixies.
You want his autograph? Is there a pixie in there?
Yeah.
Does it open up?
I don't know.
I don't know if it does or not. Let's see.
What's it doing?
Oh, it does open.
Oh.
It was just jammed in there.
Oh,
What?
Whoa! Wait, shoot out?
It's got to shoot out.
It has to shoot
It's
out.
got a tiny little pixie in there.
Oh.
But how?
Yeah.
Is there a button?
I don't know.
I don't see a button. Ah! What'd you do?
I didn't do anything! Hang on, wait, I think I know how. Let me see this.
How'd you do that?
I think I know how.
Push his head?
No.
His wand?
Hang on.
Squeeze his legs?
How did I do that? Wait, was that even me?
Oh, did you push this?
No, I just tried that. Hang on, wait. How did I do that?
Do you guys know how to do this? This is, it definitely shot out.
It shot out close to my face. Not sure how it works. Okay, we'll come back to that one.
Okay, you get the next one out and let's see if I can figure this one out.
Whoa!
Oh, it is the wand.
Excuse me.
you push his arm down a little bit. Where did that thing go?
Right here.
Okay.
We have Hagrid. Look how tall he is compared to...
Yeah, it's his wand hand. You push this down, and it shoots out.
Look how tall Harry is to Hagrid. Oh, I have an idea.
About to scale.
I have an idea.
What's that?
Curl his hand up. Let's see how tall Hagrid is to Big Harry. Hagrid's still taller.
Oh. We need some stands for these.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Hacking the cow.
I just choked on air. Whoa, we got Professor Snape. He stands up easily because his cape has a certain amount of swoosh to it.
Swoosh?
See, watch this. Look.
Hagrid stands up easy.
Because his feet are... See?
Right.
Perfect.
Snape
And then-
come with a...
Hermione.
We got Hermione.
Alright, there we go. What do we got next? Oh, I know it.
Is there more?
Yeah, there's more. We got Grip Hook.
He worked at Gringotts.
When Harry, for his first time there when he was getting his bank account.
That's right.
We
He's
got,
like a wizarding bank teller.
we have Hedwig. And, can you give me that big Harry? Because I got his broomstick, baby. Oh, that was you.
That was me.
See, look how cool this looks.
Oh, that is awesome. Except, shouldn't it be like this? Shouldn't it be the other way? He holds the handle, right?
Oh, yeah, right.
His head doesn't turn very well. There we go.
Oh my god!
Left.
Oh my god!
Is that it?
Wait.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Domino's.
Oh my god!
Domino's.
Oh my god!
Pizza. What?
Aragon!
Holy cow! That thing's enormous.
Wait, hang on. What does this button do?
That thing is enormous.
Ah! Look, Dad!
Some pictures. That thing is enormous.
Look. I'm just like, oh, am I knocking over people?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not knocking over people, but the tablecloth. Every time this tablecloth moves, we're gonna get something different. This thing is crazy.
That's cool.
Tape it down, something.
Yeah, here's Hedwig. So
this one.
That's all.
So the back moves.
Uh-huh. The abdomen.
The legs move a little bit. They all fold in.
Uh-huh. And then there's this button on the top
That
of his
is
head.
cool.
Like right behind his head. It makes his pinchers pinch.
Because the legs move in for when he dies. He's like. Very cool. This is awesome.
Uh-huh.
This thing is so big.
Uh-huh.
It's almost as big as all the rest combined.
I know. It's huge.
He would totally eat Fluffy. Alright, well, so that was everything in the box.
The unboxing of Harry Potter characters and animals.
So if you
Hedwig's gonna catch a ride.
comment down below which one was your favorite, which one do you think we're missing? Maybe we can find it somehow. I don't know.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe, turn on the channel post notifications.
Yes.
Yeah.
On.
Yeah, turn it on. Turn it on.
Because you're not going to want to miss some of our upcoming videos. We do a lot of cool stuff.
It's going to be really awesome.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.